Hi friends and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create this extremely easy Christmas tree nail design that is done using only household items. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. Let's begin. For this nail design, you will need a base coat, grey nail polish, green nail polish, red nail polish, gold nail polish, top coat, transparent tape and a pencil. I've sharpened the pencil using a cutter to get a slightly blunt tip. We'll start off by applying the base coat. Once the base coat dries, apply the grey nail polish. Once you've applied the polish, make sure that your polish dries completely before moving to the next step. Once your nails have dried, grab the transparent tape and cut 2 small strips of the tape as shown. Place the tape onto your nail like so in order to create a triangle in the center of your nail. Apply the green nail polish to the space left in the center of your nail, that is the triangle formed in the center of your nail. While the polish is wet, gently peel off the tape. Once the triangle has dried, grab the red nail polish, white nail polish and a pencil. As you can see, the pencil that I've chosen is a slightly blunt tip. We will create the dots or the decorations on the Christmas tree using the pencil as a dotting tool. Apply the white nail polish on the tip of the pencil as shown and gently press the pencil onto your nail to create the dots. Create the red dots in the same way as the white dots. Then take the gold nail polish, apply it onto the tip of the pencil and create a dot at the top of the triangle. And that's how your Christmas tree nail design will look. Repeat the same on the other nails and seal the design by applying a top coat. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you've enjoyed the nail design. Drop me a Christmas gift by subscribing to my channel and hitting on the bell icon. Please do like the video and share it with others. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.